Alright guys, I'm Danny Gray, I'm the founder of War Paint for Men. In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why you need to join us on this journey. The last few years have been incredible in terms of growth. I'm a skincare just around the corner, there's no better time to join us. So look, War Paint is a real personal story for me. It started about 20 years ago when I got bullied in my junior school for the way I looked. So my ears used to be right angles to my head. I was only bullied for a couple of weeks, but look, it had a massive impact on me and my family for the rest of my life. So much so that I suffer with a condition called body dysmorphic disorder now. Illness where I obsess about the way I look to a minute detail. So getting to 15 years old, I got spots. For me, that was a huge, huge deal. Turned to my sister, who gave me a little bit of concealer, and I couldn't believe the impact and the power of a product and what it did for my confidence. I've been wearing makeup now for the last 20 years, but what I couldn't find was a brand that related to me as a man, something I could buy in confidence in store, and the education for me was severely lacking. So what I wanted to do was create a brand I wanted, and that's how War Paint was born. And ever since then, we've gone from strength to strength. So look, since we launched, I could never have imagined the traction and the impact that we've had. So we've gone viral multiple times and we've been featured in media all over the world.
War Paint for Men. War Paint founder
Danny Gray.
It is makeup for men and it's called War Paint.
It's not called makeup, it's War Paint.
I've been wearing makeup for the last 20 years because it's given me confidence. It's a tool I use, and I created a brand called War Paint, which I launched 3 years ago. It's gone incredibly well. And I've even sponsored a Premier League football team, Norwich City.
Let's make up and be friendly. Love and admiration, Stephen Fry.
And we've also sponsored a Premiership rugby team, Wigan Warriors. And as you can see from these partnerships, it's so much more than about products. It's about building a brand and making a difference. We've been so fortunate to secure retail partners all over the world, and of course, right here in London. We've also got an amazing track record with both investors and VCs.
I'm going to make you an offer.
Let's do it. Done. Excellent.
Whilst we didn't go ahead with the Dragons, we did take investment from world-leading venture capitalists, Red Rice Ventures and Truth, who 100% believe in the brand and the mission of what we're trying to do. Hi Claire, why do you invest in War Paint?
Fantastic founder, great product market fit, and really for us, no clear winner in the space.
Thanks Claire. So as you can see, the last couple of years have been amazing for us in terms of traction. But my proudest moment today, without question, is opening the first ever men's makeup store right here in the UK on the iconic Carnaby Street. In 3 short years, we've sold over 250,000 products across 115 different countries. We've got a customer returning rate of 33%, and last year we were selling a product every 4 minutes. I'll take that. So that's showing you what we've achieved in the men's makeup market in just 3 very short years. So the next massive market for us to enter is the men's skincare market, estimated to be worth £16.9 billion by the year 2027. This is an absolute prime market for us to enter, and we've got a skincare range ready to drop next year. With an absolute prime customer base and retail destinations all over the world, we couldn't be better placed to enter this market. And so that is what these funds are for, and I honestly believe that this is going to take us to the next level. So join us on this journey and invest in War Paint, and together we will literally change the face of the industry. Do you want to wait for them to go past? Even sponsored my proudest mum in. But another thing I couldn't. Sorry, I've been a dream come true. So the last, sorry mate, for men's, for the last couple of years. Short year, free is the male skin for us here. No. That's just 2 takes on each, yeah? The strong customer base and customer base and detail. Prime, sorry, and oh my God. Okay, I feel better. That's prime customer base and detail. What am I saying? Thank for that. Yeah, that felt good.